Hey everybody, let me talk in this video about color file. In Android you could define all the colors that you need in this file. So the file name is color, so it's just very easy to define it. Just open a bracket, open color, then give it any name. Let me name it, for example, white black, then give it the hexadecimal code. The hexadecimal code you get it from Photoshop or from any website. For example, I know this color F9, this is the color for white. So when I want to use this color, I just take its name whenever I want to use it. For example, let me use it for this page background as a relative layout. I just say, okay, background color equal at, I want to access to the color, so I would say at color, then the color name, color, then slash the color name. I have it, this one, white black. If I use it, if you see it's changed to the white black, you did not feel, because white black is not too much different from white. But if I take this color, I added this one, you will feel the color exactly now. How is the color? See? So it helps a lot to manage your color from one file, which is great. So that's what I want to show in this video, and see you next.